Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over the S&P 500 ETF ticker symbol SPY. We are currently down 1.16% and we still have about 30 minutes left in trading. On the 1 hour chart, the 1 hour MACD is starting to converge up, but we are still heading down for the moment. And on the 4 hour chart we are currently oversold and there is no signs of converging on the 4 hour MACD. On the daily chart, we broke through the 200-day moving average, which is a bit concerning for the bulls. And the next support will be the 150-day moving average right here. So where I see the trend heading is we have a good chance of hitting the oversold RSI that may be at this support level, the 150-day moving average. So I'll mark that as support. And you could also tell there's a price concentration here as well. So this is the immediate support that we may find relief in. If we were to quickly reverse and head on higher, the resistance will be the 9-day moving average. And this resistance act as ceiling because past support act as resistance now. So we have support here and is now resistance here. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement will be about 2% move up. But if we continue on down, the price movement will be about 44 basis points. But I do see the trend hitting lower and then more sideways action. There's a possibility of that happening. On to the next module, I'll compare today's current trend with this trend right here that dated back to August 14, 2012 to November 9, 2012. So I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here is we started off on top of the middle Bollinger Band right here, and then we found support in the middle Bollinger Band as well, and we continue on higher and uptrend through this channel. We touch the upper Bollinger Band and then we're proceeded to go down lower in channel for several weeks now. So we see that trend here as well. We started up above the middle Bollinger Band right here, and we touch briefly the middle Bollinger Band right here, and yeah, and we made a touch on the upper Bollinger Band right here, and then we proceeded on in a downtrend right here as well. So what we have here is 4 points, and we also have 4 points. So there's reason to believe if the trend or patterns are similar, the outcome would also be similar. So what we have here is the forecast model. I'll go day by day, where S&P 500 went to back in 2012 of August 14th. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So back then, SPY or S&P 500 was up around 70 basis points, so more of a sideways action. So we are expecting to see some relief in this oversold condition, but overall I do see the trend continuing lower, but first we might see sideways action. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.